about farm animals and their babies. Cow and calf. Duck and ducklings. Sheep and lamb. Pig and piglet. Chicken and chicks. Horse and foal. Now, can you name some of the following baby animals? What baby animal is this? It's a chick. What baby animal is this one? It's a lamb. What baby animal is this? It's a duckling. What baby animal is this one? It's a foal. What baby animal is this?